Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So guys, I'm so excited. We have 2 days left of this mega sale. So today on the 30th of May, I am bringing you a Kroger, yes, updated must-do deals video. So with just 2 days left, the 30th and the 31st, you're going to want to go to buy Kroger at some point in time and grab these amazing deals before they are gone. If you are curious about the next sale that is starting on June 1st, I do have an ad preview video out. I put out on Saturday. Go check that video out. See what is going to be happening starting Wednesday, June 1st. But right now, while we still have time, you're going to want to run to the store and grab these amazing deals. So before we get going, really just do me a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and hit all so you don't miss any of my videos. Because if you like Kroger videos, you're going to want to be subscribed to this channel. Let's see what is happening with some updates. All right, I'm going to start right out with our mega sale deals. You know, hopefully you're not new to the channel or new to mega sales, but if you happen to be, real quick, you have to buy 5 or more participating items. They do not have to be 5 of the same items. You can mix and match them. You can also pair them up with digital coupons, store coupons, manufacturer coupons, rebate apps, things like that. This is how we get amazing deals, including freebies. So we've got so many awesome deals happening. Let's see what's happening. All right, first, this should be a freebie for you. The Gerber Soft Baked Bars, they're the multi-pack 8 count. Regularly priced $3.39, on sale for $2.99, mega sale for $1.99. Now, I'm going to recommend that you use the printable coupon and not load the digital. But there is a 2-off-1 printable as well as a 2-off-1 digital coupon. That'll make it completely free. The reason why I'm saying don't use the digital is the digital may kick you out of mega sale. So if you decide to not use the printable and go with the digital route, it's probably going to ring up as 99 cents because the coupon will make it less than what the product is. So $1.99, that $2 digital will make it less, so the mega sale price won't happen anyway. It's kind of hard to explain, just letting you know. So you can do one of two things, basically. You can let your cashier know that the mega sale price did not come off, and they can fix it manually, or you can pay for it, go to customer service and show them, and they can fix it manually, or I guess you could call customer service once you get home, and they could credit you the money. It just depends on how much of a hassle you want to go through with that digital. However, the printable should work no problem, and it is showing attaching in the app. So anyway, a freebie here. Really excited about this. And I haven't tried it yet. I need to go to the store and try it. But let me know if you have any other problems with this printable or digital coupon if you decide to go digital route. But I recommend printable. All right, next deal, Gerber Teethers Teething Wafers. Now, these are regularly priced $3.99. They're on sale for $3.29. Mega sale for $2.29. We have $1 off 2 printable coupon. All printable coupons will be linked in the description box below, so make sure you click my links there. It goes to coupons.com, which, by the way, is not lasting that much longer. I think we've got through June 30th, and then the printable coupons, or at least from coupons.com, are going away, which is crazy. But anyway, the printable coupons will be down in the description box below. It does help me to keep doing these videos for you as an affiliate, so please help me out there. There's also $1 off 2 digital coupon for you to use, but the final cost would be $1.79 each. All right, need some hot dogs or some, fake hot dogs, I guess. Light Life Smart Hot Dogs are regularly priced $4.29. Now, there's 2 different kind. There's the Smart Dogs, just like the normal hot dogs, 8 count. And then there's the Jumbo Smart Dogs, which the Jumbo ones actually are, I don't know, the sale price is less, which is funny. Okay, so both of them are regularly priced $4.29, but the sale price ranges from $3.49 to $3.99. Mega sale $2.49 to $2.99. There are $1 off 1 coupons. There is a digital coupon. There is a printable coupon from coupons.com. Again, I have it linked in the description box below. Out of pocket, pay $1.49 to $1.99, depending on which one you pick. And then you can submit to Ibotta for another $1 back on once, limit of 5 times. Final cost is going to be anywhere from 49 cents to 99 cents. Basically, just decide how you want to grab these dogs. All right, next deal here is the Sucker Punch Gourmet Pickles. All right, so I don't know if this is a new product. I've never heard of it, but I'm also not a pickle fan to begin with. But these are regularly priced $6.49. They're on sale for $5.99, part of the mega sale for $4.99, and there is a new dollar off one digital coupon, meaning you can grab one of these for just $3.99. All right, so another Sucker Punch deal for you. Again, I've never heard of this product before, and all of a sudden we have some really awesome deals, and this one is absolutely amazing. Sucker Punch Snappy Pickle Chip Pouches. They are regularly priced $1.99, but they're part of the mega sale, so they're just 99 cents, which is a really great price right there. But on top of it, we got a 75-cent off one digital coupon, so you're going to grab one of these for 24 cents. What an awesome deal for these pickle chips or whatever you want to call them. Sounds like a great grab and go type of snack to take with you, and for 24 cents you cannot beat that. All right, next we also have the Breyers ice cream. So these are regularly priced $5.99, on sale for $3.99, mega sale for $2.99, and we have a new $1.50 off two digital coupon. So basically take 75 cents off of each ice cream that you'd have to grab. Final cost would be $2.24 each. All right, we have a great deal on the Sparkle Paper Towels, 6 rolls. It says the regular price is $7.20. That seems like an odd price to me to be regular price, but hey, whatever. They're part of the mega sale, so they're going to be $6.20. And then there is a dollar off one digital coupon, so your final cost is $5.20. Okay, so this is kind of a mix match deal here. So the specific digital coupon is going to require you to purchase one Old Spice body wash. They're regularly priced $6.49, but they are on sale for $5.99. And then one of the Old Spice body sprays, regularly priced $5.99, but on sale for $5.49. So your mega sale prices are going to be $4.99 and $4.49 each. So you grab one of each of those, and then you can use the 3 off 2 digital coupon. Your final cost total will be $6.48, or basically $3.24 each. All right, and then just a really great no coupon deal for you that you may want to stock up on. Kroger brand cereals are regularly priced $1.99, but they're part of the mega sale, so you're just grabbing them for 99 cents and no coupons needed. And I always say stock up on cereals when they're under $1, and now these are just not name brand, so it makes for a really great deal. Maybe if you purchase Kroger cereals regularly, I would also check your specialized coupons. Maybe you have Savings for You coupons or Best Customer Bonus coupons or things like that that may contain the cereals in them. Those tend to be coupons based off of your buying preferences. So if you have purchased these before, I would look and see if you do have any kind of store coupons to go with this. But otherwise, still really, really great deal, just 99 cents each. All right, guys, let's talk about some Kroger deals. These are non-mega sale deals, but really, really awesome deals nonetheless. So let's check these out. All right, the first one is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Gel Mask. So it's kind of a funny story. I found this at Meijer yesterday when I was doing my must-do deals video for Meijer. If you have a Meijer, go check out that video. I also try to do Meijer once a week, and this was a freebie there. Now, they don't do overage at all. I have not tried this at Kroger just to verify that it works. I'm hoping to get there today, but I decided to check to see if we had that same coupon and if we had the same product that it attached to, and sure enough, we do. So these hydrating gel masks from Neutrogena are regularly priced $2.77. The 3 off 1 digital coupon is attaching to this, so it should come out as free and a 23-cent overage for something else in your cart. Again, have not verified that this would work. I definitely would go to like a self-checkout so that you can watch, and if it comes off, you're good to go. If it doesn't, you can either let your cashier know or tell them to take it off so you're not purchasing it. But either way, really awesome that we're getting a possible freebie and some overage here from Kroger. Next deal is a really great deal. The Neutrogena facial bars. These are regularly priced $2.79, and we have a 2 off 1 digital coupon. So the final cost for one of these is just 79 cents, which is a great deal. All right, so who needs some good cool fun, right? Luigi's Italian Ice 6 packs are regularly priced $3.79. They are on sale for $3.50. We have $1 off one and save 5.8. So out of pocket, pay $2.50, and then Ibotta has a rebate for $1.25 back on one, limit of 5 times. Final cost is $1.25 each. So great deal there. All right, so we have another great deal. So that teething coupon that we talked about in one of the mega sale deals, it's also applying to this product right here. The Gerber Snack Teething Wheels are regularly priced $2.59. There's $1 off 2 printable coupon or the $1 off 2 digital coupon. If you prefer these over the teethers, you can grab these for just $2.09 each. All right, so I kind of wanted to just give you a little bit of an update on a weekly digital deal that we have. The strawberries are what my region is selling. Now, I know some regions are doing the watermelon, and I'm not sure if there's something else out there. I think some of you have told me in the comments of my other video from Wednesday, but I just can't remember what they are. So anyway, strawberries is my region, and there's also a Driscoll strawberries 2-pound 35-cent back, limit of 5 times from Ibotta. So I'm just putting this out there. It could work for you and could make this an extra great savings for you. I don't know that I can really get 10 pounds of strawberries, and I don't know what I would do with 10 pounds of strawberries, but I'm probably going to grab 1 or 2 of them before this sale ends. I'm trying to wait till Tuesday so I can get the freshest strawberries possible that hopefully they'll last the longest. So really, really excited about this deal. Okay guys, that's all I have for you. If you like this video, please give it a great big thumbs up. Thank you for watching like always, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Happy Memorial Day. Enjoy the last 2 days of this mega sale. Be sure to check out the ad preview video so you know what is happening starting on June 1st. Have a great week, and I'll talk to you later. Bye guys.